This is the third lecture of beta oxidation of fatty acid. Here you follow. This is the blood vessels. From the adipose tissue, long chain fatty acid come to the blood. We already discussed how a long chain fatty acid, medium and short chain fatty acid is synthesized from triacylglycerol during fasting condition from the adipose tissue. Now, from the blood, long chain fatty acid enters into the hepatocyte or liver by the help of albumin. Long chain fatty acid binds with albumin and come to the liver, but short chain fatty acid comes freely to the comes freely to the liver without binding with the albumin. But long chain fatty acid binds with albumin and enters into the liver. RBC does not utilize or cannot utilize the long chain fatty acid as RBC does not have mitochondria. But for beta oxidation of long chain fatty acid, uh, mitochondria needed. But RBC does not have mitochondria. That's why RBC cannot utilize this long chain fatty acid. Now, with the help of albumin or binding with the albumin, this long chain fatty acid enters into the liver. Now, we have this long chain fatty acid enters into the liver. Uh, we have to addition. We have to add a CoA group with the long chain fatty acid. So now, long chain fatty acid enters into the mitochondria. This is the outer layer and this is the inner layer. So it is the intermembrane space. It is the intermembrane space, outer space and inner outer layer and inner layer. This is the intermembrane space. Now, long chain fatty acid enters into the mitochondrial intermembrane space through a enzyme. This is an enzyme. Name is thiokinase or fatty acyl CoA synthase. Name is fatty acyl CoA synthase. You understand that this enzyme helps in addition of CoA group with the long chain fatty acid. I just show you here with the star mark. Star mark is CoA, a long chain fatty acid, this one. So by the help of fatty acyl CoA synthetase or thiokinase enzyme, long chain fatty acid is added with the CoA group. So now here long chain fatty acid with CoA, and it comes into the intermembrane space of the mitochondria. And red marking is fatty acid or acyl group, and it is star mark black color is CoA group. So this one is long chain fatty acid. This long chain fatty acid with the CoA cannot enter into the inner mitochondrial membrane. That's why this long chain fatty acid must be removed or separated from CoA. This separation of the CoA from the long chain fatty acid is done by cation. Here I draw it cat. It is carnitine acyl transferase, or most of the long chain fatty acid is permitted. That's why it can be said as carnitine palmitoyl transferase 1. From the Lipin coat, I am discussing from the Lipin coat as well as Nazif sir lecture, mainly from the textbook of Lipin coat. Carnitine acyltransferase or carnitine palmitoyl transferase 1. This cat1 separate or remove the CoA from the long chain fatty acid. Here you show this one long chain fatty acid, this one is CoA. This separation done by this cat1. Now this fatty acid enters into the mitochondria. How? This fatty acid uh, combined to this carnitine. I just show you here drawing a car, just like car. It is known as carnitine. Carnitine is protein synthesized skeletal muscle, liver, and other source maybe. This carnitine is protein. So this long chain fatty acid bind with the carnitine. Now this structure is known as carnitine acyl. Carnitine acyl. carnitine acyl. This long chain fatty acid with the carnitine. This is the carnitine shuttle mechanism actually. This one is carnitine shuttle mechanism.